Hello everyone and welcome to Knowledge Management System presentation. This is a demo by the UCW students in IT for Managers course, and we are Team 3. My name is Matty and I will start this presentation by an introduction to Knowledge Management System or KMS, and my friends Ashra and Aman will talk about some applications of MS Office 365 as a KMS software, and in the last part my friend Oscar will describe about some important features of these applications and softwares. So as an introduction to KMS, which knowledge do we mean when we talk about KMS? The first type could be explicit knowledge, which is the things that we learned previously in our school, higher university, or by reading books. These are the theoretical knowledge. The other type of knowledge is tacit, which is the things that we learn by experiencing in our real life or in our previous jobs. These are the practical or experienced knowledge. So what do we mean by knowledge management? It's actually a set of activities to earn, share, and locate the knowledge in a team, which means to know which person in the organization knows about which things. I'm sure that you can think about examples in your company. So, what is the total definition of KMS, Knowledge Management System? It's actually a software that connects your device, PC, mobile, or laptop to others through a network and manage the content, which is the knowledge. And as a result, you can access to data, the files, and knowledge of other people, and also they can access to your data. So, what do we expect as the functions of KMS software? It actually should have the capability to store, search, access, and manage the company database, the company documents, the expert knowledge, and the customer support issues. And if we integrate all these items together, we can have a software like Microsoft Office 365. And whether there are a lot of softwares in the market, our team suggests this one because it is commonly used, user-friendly, and there are a lot of resources which help you in the internet, which help you to improve your interact and using this software. So what would be the benefits of using these software? You can have access to a big knowledge resources which facilitates your tasks and shortens the time of performing the task, and most importantly, you can access from anywhere at any time or from any device. So I'm sure that there are different examples for these softwares you can think about that. Consider just you are going to present and you are going to prepare a proposal for your client about accounting service, and you face difficulties, and one of your colleagues in the previous year experienced similar situation. So if you have access to this software, you can search quickly and find similar problems and find a solution. Or if you want to search a document that is usually hard by paperwork in traditional systems, you can quickly search and find and access to all databases or documents that you want. So let's move to the practical part and see the general environment of the KMS software, which is MS Office 365. To access the software, you need a subscription and account, which my university previously has done it for me, and I can access here. This software is generally cloud-based, which means that you do not need to install anything on your device, but if you want to install some of the application and use them offline, there's a button here that you can click and uninstall the Office. In the general environment of Office 365, in the left side you can see the list of applications, and you can access to all applications here. Some of them are very familiar for you, like Microsoft Word, of Excel, Outlook, or PowerPoint, and some of them may be new for you. For example, Microsoft Teams or other things that my friends will talk about that in the next steps. But actually you can see here the recommended files from Office. These are my all files, and these are my recent files, shared files, and favorite ones. So as you can see here, there is, for example, a Word file that my friend shared with me here. Ali shared something with other students here. A PowerPoint file that my professor shared with other students. You can manage all these items, and also everything you have in one of your applications here. It could be accessed through in other applications, and also can be shared by with others. Most importantly, when you share something with others, you can give the access to them to share, just see and visit your file or edit your file. In the next step, my friend Asha will talk about some of these applications.
Hello everyone. So to set up a meeting and inform whoever should attend to the meeting by sending notifications through Teams, Microsoft Teams. So first thing to do is I'm opening the calendar, which is going here. So this is a regular calendar. It seems regular, but it has very useful features that we can easily uh, look into them and use them. For example, we're going to have a meeting on every Monday with our manager or supervisor or whoever. For now, we are playing the role of the manager, so he is going to set up a meeting. He just double click on the day, for example, on Monday, and he will add the title, whatever it is uh, for the meeting, for the reason of the meeting, and he will invite here all who should attend to the meeting. This is the date and the time that the meeting is going to place, and here is for repeat. You can repeat it every week, every month, every year, whatever it's required, and put up a set of a location, for example, in conference room or wherever is better for the team to meet there, and put more description if needed, and just press save, and all who added here in the attendance part will see the email, will see the change in their calendar, see the meeting in their calendar, and also they will receive an email every Monday before the meeting. And now we are going to use another app from Office 365 to also send a notification through Office Teams. So in this application, which is automated 365 Power Automate, this is the main page for the Power Automate. This application basically make a chain action between the other apps. For example, here we can add calendar to Microsoft Teams to send notification for everyone who is in the meeting. The only thing is needed to do is just put here, for example, calendar send notification and search it, and here is one of the ready samples that we can use to just send a notification to our team before any meeting. As you can see, you just need to put here all the email address that are required, and then create a flow. It will take a few seconds, and there is the chain action that we require, and we just need to change if there's any a change needed. We need to just edit it, fix it, and it will send notification to every team member by MS Teams when the meeting is going to place. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aman Malhotra and today I'm going to explain how MS Teams work. It's a way broader concept than we exactly thought. So let us just look how it works for us. So over here I have a bunch of team group mates. I'm in the groups, and let's just select the digital transformation one because I'm performing on this. And on the top, you can see a couple of icons. Let us just see how post works for us. So the post will enable all the content which we have shared in our group chats. It will display all the information and the messages we have texted to each other. And the file section will enable you to fetch all the details, specifically the files which we have shared in our groups. If you wanted to add new ones, you can just simply click on new, and you can select the type of file from here. If you wanted to upload something, for example a video, you'll just click on upload, and from there you can add it. The sync section allows you to sync all the details which you have in your cloud storage, and the copy link is a link which you can share to your group mates if you wanted to let them have access, let them to have access to group chats. The download section will allow you to just select the file and download it for you. So you can see at the bottom here, it's downloading. Okay, so let us just go ahead and see how task works for us. So the task basically creates a to-do list for you, and over here I've created 3 of them, and I've assigned a bunch of tasks to the group mates. For example, I've assigned a video on KMS to the Oscar, the team display to myself, and the other 2 parameters to the rest of the group mates. And the moment we'll just go on the charts here, we can see the bunch of analytics by which we'll get to know who is performing at what level, and if they need any motivation to perform it at the great level or not. And from the schedule part, we can also schedule our assignments or maybe the new task which we have to assign to the rest of the group mates, so they can get the pre-scheduled information on what day they have to perform it. Let's see how Poly works for us. So Poly is a platform whereby a person can conduct his quizzes, questionnaires, Q&A rounds, and they'll get the information about how the team performs and what exactly their thoughts are. So I've already created one, but I'll show you how it works. Just simply click on create, and then you can choose these 3 or 4 options we have over here. For example, if I click on question, I'll just simply type any question here, and I'll give 2 choices if I want to keep it as a choice option. But if I want to keep it as open-ended, we'll click on open-ended. I'll put the question here. For example, what is KMS? And the person who will be performing this task will have a right to add their own information, what exactly they think about the topic. After you're done, you'll just simply, first you have to put the time, date, and the information, and then you'll just simply send now to the group mates who want to perform this task. So for example, if I've already done it here, I can see the results. So 2 of us performed this task, and I can see the results over here. So that's how you can conduct an interview or a kind of a questionnaire round. And apart from that, we also connected our MS Teams to the MS Streams platform, whereby we can access all the contents and the videos which we have shared across the group or maybe the nationwide. So so far I've just added 1 channel, and under that channel I have 1 video installed here. But if you want to access more of them, I'll just simply go on the another platform. So over here I can see this is the channel which I have created. If the rest of the group mates will click to follow, they'll also get the updates from the information or the videos I've uploaded. And if I wanted to explore more of them, I'll just simply go on my content and I'll click on videos. It will enable all the videos which I have uploaded so far. From the search section, they can filter their search by just typing in the keywords, and they can also refine their search by selecting any of these options. It can also go by states and also by the privacy. And if I wanted to create a new channel, I'll just go ahead and click on channel here. I'll name the channel, I'll put the group information, and then at the bottom I will create it. So that's how it works.
I'm going to share the advantages of using Office 365. The first one of the advantages is mobility. This means to have documents and files stored in the cloud, and they can be edited anywhere, incorporating Outlook. The user enters with their account, and it has all your contacts as well, updates from social networks such as Facebook and Twitter and even Instagram, so you can have everything there. The second one is safety. You can have the security in the cloud for all your documents. This is one of the main issues of most of the companies nowadays. So Microsoft has established padlocks in the management of information that leaves the Office 365 ecosystem in good hands, so all your files can be in a safe place. The next one can be its business social network. Another novelty with respect of the home version is the incorporation of Yammer. This is like a business social software that allows members of corporations to communicate with each other. So this is practically like a social network for business. The next one is you can have like any kind of tools in Office 365. It includes tools for video conferencing, sites for projects, calendars. You can even chat with your co-workers, and it comes with different versions. 365 offers packages for small businesses. The first package is for small businesses, and it's for 1 to 10 devices, and it comes with a medium business. It comes from 10 to 225 devices, and then for large corporation, and it can be like from 250 or more devices, and then the price is $15 each. It depends a lot of the version you get, and the most expensive one is between $22 or $25 each user. So the first one is to use tools that we already know how to use, like Word, Excel, whatnot, Glacier, PowerPoint. These tools provide us and they always are in Office 365, and it's really simple to learn and use. There's no need to learn new software, or just in a few minutes you can create a trial account and see how easily your business can be in the cloud with benefits. And you can communicate with your classmates if you are in the school. You can work on a team. You can also send instant messages to your co-workers and customers and invite them to participate in online meetings, where you can review documents or control your desktop. You can share your desktop. There's no need to be an IT expert. You can perform an administrative task, and they give you the instructions by each step. How to add users. It can be anywhere, anytime access. You just need access to email, and you can see your important documents, contacts, calendar in any device. You can use it in your cell phone, in the iPad, in your laptop, in your computer, desk computer. So that's why it's so important, and it gives up flexibility for your business. Also offers a great flexibility, allowing you to easily provide users with online service to need it's cost effectively, and it add value to your business. That's really important. It's of course, as I mentioned it before, it's very safe and secure. These systems scan your messages and documents for spam and malicious software, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you do not need to worry about any virus or any spam in your account. And of course, it gives you that professional look that everyone looks for. It gives you a public-facing website in minutes, And all students at UCW have access to a Microsoft Office account, which includes Word, Excel, OneNote. You can also get the email address. See, we have access to all these: OneDrive, OneNote, Teams, Yammer. It's really good for classwork, to do calendars. You can see your appointment, and you can use the web version of these. You can use it in 5 computers. Thank you.